Hey everyone, RoDev here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you about variables, so let's get right into it. So real quick before this video starts, you may have noticed my YouTube channel name has changed, and if you're watching this in the future, don't worry. Other than that, let's get right into it. So right here is the server script service, and if you remember from 2 videos ago, scripts only run in server script service or the workspace, so we're going to be using server script service, and we're going to be naming our script, which is something you should always do, so I'm going to call it variables, and we can get into it. So I actually created the script while the game was running, so none of that saved, so I have to do it again. So I'm going to quickly do that and name it variables, and in here what we can do is create a variable. So how do you create a variable? To do that, you need to type local, and after local, what you do is hit space, and then now right here you can type the name of your variable. The only thing you have to worry about is no starting variables with numbers. It doesn't work like that. You can obviously write them after, so I can write Roblox this, right? That works, but you cannot start them with numbers. So you want to make sure your variable starts with a letter. So from there you can go ahead and write whatever you'd like your variable to be. I'm going to call it like RoDev. And then you can go ahead, hit space, and hit equals. And you can hit space again. Here's where you define your variable. So let's say 5, and I'm just going to call it, let's say water bottles. Obviously you cannot have a space in there. It doesn't work like that. So local water bottles equals 5. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and do print water bottles. And I spelled water wrong. Damn. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and print water bottles and hit play. This will print 5. And this prints 5 because we told the script that water bottles is equal to 5. Obviously, this could be anything like Roblox, and obviously this will have a red underline, and if you hover over it, it'll say unknown global water bottles. That just means the script is telling you that it doesn't know what water bottles means. So since I've changed the variable name to Roblox, I need to do that here as well. And now there's no underline because the script knows what Roblox means. In the same way, I can change this to play. I'm just using play because I saw it here. And obviously it's underlined because the script doesn't know what Roblox means anymore. It knows what play means though, so we can go ahead and press that or type that in. I'm going to quickly go ahead, and you guys already know what this would do, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and change this to, let's say mice. How about that? So from here we can go ahead and, let's say we had more mice, okay? So let's say we had local, or let's just say we had cheese, okay? So from there we can go ahead and do like 10 cheese, okay? So say I wanted to get the number of mice and cheese. So to do this, I would do mice space plus space cheese. You don't have to have the spaces, but please do keep them. This looks really ugly. So from there, you can go ahead and hit play, and you'll see that it adds up the 2 variables, and now I have 15 here. One more thing, you can use strings. So mice equals, mice like cheese. Sorry if you thought I was talking about computer mice. So from there, this won't work, and I'll actually show you guys the error. So attempted to perform an arithmetic on a string and number. I'm not going to get into arithmetic just yet. That'll be next video. But basically, it tried to add it tried to do mice like cheese plus 10. Obviously, that doesn't work. So it threw an error. From there, you guys can go ahead and experiment around with this. Change this up. Don't have these in speech marks. It doesn't work like that either. As you can see, it's going to error. Let's see what the error is. Expected identifier. So it expected an identifier for the variable, so we didn't give it one because that's in quotation marks, speech marks, so it obviously errored it. So from here, we can go ahead and also, one more thing, you can go ahead and also type false, true, I showed you guys this in the last video, so no need to worry about that. From here, one more thing, decimals also work, so 0.4. and say this was like 3.2, that'll obviously give us a 3.6, so I printed 3.6 right there. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to variables for now. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's RoDev. Peace.